Show me the money!
Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Seers. Today, we will be analysing Robinhood stock. It's a company with quite low profitability, but the reason its stock prices remain high despite its negative PE ratio is due to the great growth expectations from the company's strategic initiatives. We will examine it technically, so let's get started. My reason for analysing this stock will be an educational technical analysis. We can call this a classic technique known as rounded bottom. It forms an oval at the bottom and turns upward. However, there could be a Wyckoff accumulation schematic. I am aware it doesn't match perfectly, but one important thing I've learned in my 20 years of stock market experience is that charts can show small exceptions while fitting into formations. Don't adhere too strictly to rules, especially in complex patterns. Yes, I see a clear accumulation process at the bottom. Of course, a rounded bottom. In such accumulations, use two moving averages. 100 and 200 exponential are ideal, but you can try different moving averages too. The crossing of the smaller one over the larger is called a golden cross and is also a sign that it's time to move. Here, blue has crossed over pink. Soon, we will place our rising waves, but for the targets of these waves, I will again use my internal to external target resistances. This is the first wave, and it's very nice to have confirmation from the moving average. Our third wave is to the blue resistance, and the fifth wave to our target resistance, $43. Maybe you've heard of Wyckoff for the first time, but I will also prepare a video as soon as possible explaining his general stock market logic and his schematics. It was a nice analysis. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more stock analysis videos.